Hello everyone, it's me again, Amir, one of the BitNest team leader. So continue to the yesterday topic, I have summarized some of the collection potential questions that may arise when invite partners to join BitNest team. Okay, so this question can be categorized into two types. The first is bias and impartial. So bias objections are those objections that are not directly related to your proposal. For example, the person you're talking to might say it won't work. This is nonsense. And engage in negative dialogue. This is a scam. I'm not interested. I don't like this kind of thing. So this is actually how I used to behave when I first learn about BitNets. All my objections are biased. The impartial objection. The person you are talking to may have a negative attitude, but this is directed at specific point. So for example, you might think this is a pyramid scheme, or they might be interested in your proposal but currently don't have the fund. They will tell you sounds cool, but I don't know nothing about cryptocurrency. Sounds interesting, but I don't have the money right now. Sounds great, but I don't like network marketing. I'm not sure how to convince people to join. So you must address reasonable objection. So I believe, like me, you are interested in those who show even a hint of interest rather than fabricating all an answer for you. So how we do fix this? Now, we will break it into a few steps you can follow to engage with the person you are talking to. The first, listen to the end. No one like a salesperson run to you and start to sell something to you aggressively. Like 90% of the time is he do the talking, you have to listen. You only have 10% of the chance to talk. Like this, you will find all kind of reason and excuse to reject him. Okay, so don't avoid difficult topics. Don't be afraid to encourage the other person to ask all the tough questions. So this question should not be stay in the mind, or they will figure out the answer on their own. Okay, you have to face it. So if other person avoiding the conversation, try to find out why. Maybe he have something emergency, or working problem. So in this case, you reschedule. Okay. Second, you have to get on the same page with him. You need to communicate with other party as much as possible. So if they say that they don't have money right now, you can say that I know this situation for myself. So I want to teach you how to solve this financial problem. So, or they say I have tried this kind of project. You can say that I see you already have experience of making money. So can you review for this project and share your feedback with me? So this will make other party more confident and feel they appreciate that you think their opinions are important. The third, be specific. Clarify any question raised during the conversation. If the other party say they want to sign up but not right now, you should specify a time. Maybe Saturday, Sunday, is it convenient for you? Or maybe let's call on 12 afternoon on Saturday. So I will come and meet you for the sign up process. So you can mention that you have a lot of meetings scheduled with people who want to learn about BitNets. So this will show your commitment to the process and will make your partners more accountable, more firm when scheduling calls. Provide reason. Odd enough, answering objection is the easiest of the step. All you have to do is to understand BitNest 100%. Your main goal is to become BitNest expert so that you can always give a qualified answer instead of getting lost and bypass. So before starting the first conversation with the potential partners, you should stay everything well, you can study everything well. So there is from the beginning to the end, So this can be done in few hours. So as long as you stay focused, it won't distract you. So I also suggest you start with the section about the BitNest on the homepage of the website. So far, I don't heard any objection. I don't hear any bad comment. So in fact, there is no advantage because there is no disadvantage of BitNest. You have all the resource to ensure this. The FAQ session, the business community website, your job is to learn more core content, and then you will know the answer to any tricky question or objection. Okay, the next will be here is the most common objection you easily answer once you understand BitNet. Must be 100% understand BitNet. This is very important. The first is, this is a Ponzi scheme. So I think this argument is the easiest way to counter. I will ask them, what is your definition of a Ponzi scheme? So as a person to begin to answer, we cover each of his point with the facts of BitNet. So in the Ponzi scheme, all funds are controlled by the founder. But in BitNet, they don't have the access to the user fund. In Ponzi scheme, only the first comer make the big money. But in BitNet, you can outperform the invite and result depend only on your effort. That's it. I don't have enough money. You can ask them back, do you have money for coffee, cigarette, or beer? Then you save it for better use. Okay? There is no need to be stingy, and you need to think out of the box. Make it clear that you not only want to connect them to BitNest, but also want to help them to solve their financial problem, to help them improve their lifestyle, to help them build up their career. So if you can sell this idea to this person, you can always find people to sign up for you. Next one, I'm not inviting anyone, so I'm new. I usually respond it, neither am I. But I got over 100 invites from somewhere. So why people don't like to invite people? Or because of they don't know how to do? So that's why they in advance they say they cannot and reject. So you shouldn't judge others. You have to see BitNest as a tool for happiness. You are not inviting. You are generously sharing a tool to solve problem and achieve goal for him, for everybody. Then, I don't understand cryptocurrency and I don't believe it. Then why blockchain and cryptocurrency? Because this is the financial system of the future. Cryptocurrency and smart contract allow us to make the commodity transparent. And also don't forget that in BitNet, we not only profit from the community, but also from the exchange rate and the market. So USDT is a stable currency. No matter how the private chain token rise or fall, its value is always consistent with the US dollar. Okay, so everything I described above today is just a framework, and you will need to adjust it through the continuous trial and error. So the most important thing is not to be afraid or rejection. Okay, you have to be afraid of doing nothing. So my secret to success is very simple. I communicate with my partners to help them, not for personal gain. My results are not the sum of my account, but the goal achieved with my partners. So that's why I'm not afraid of being rejected 100 times. Okay. So these are the main points that you need to keep emphasizing, present during your presentation to the people. Okay. First, BitNest is a decentralized finance platform based on the blockchain technology, aiming to establish a transparent and accessible and inclusive distributed digital world system. So its goal is to achieve a decentralized peer-to-peer economic circulation model, meeting global user and institution saving needs and fund circulation, lending and rotational income with zero risk. So BitNest aims to build an economic and financial system for Web 3.0. The highlight of blockchain technology lies in its decentralized and tamper-resistant, providing BitNest with a solid security foundation and transparency guarantee. Okay. Two main advantages you must make sure they understand. The first is BitNest is based on blockchain technology where all transaction records are stored in distributed ledger. This means all data is publicly transparent and anyone can view and verify it. And these decentralized storage methods eliminate the risk of single point of failure and significantly enhance data security. The second, immutable, unchangeable. So once transaction records are generated on the blockchain, this is unable to make any changes. Every transaction requires consensus confirmation from the majority of nodes in the network. So to ensure the data's authentication and reliability, whether we are currently involved in BitNest or not, you can view BitNest operation on the blockchain. So this is the charm of blockchain technology. Any action occurring on the blockchain is traceable by anyone. And then smart contract. Automated execution, transparent mechanism. BitNest smart contracts are pre-written program codes that automatically executed all transactions and operations according to the predefined code. So smart contracts run on the blockchain are not changeable, meaning once it's deployed, they cannot change or delete. So this ensures the transparency and security of transaction, eliminating the possibility of human interference fraud. So besides that, smart contracts also have very unique features that traditional financial institutions cannot compare. It is the highest transparency. So the code of smart contract is publicly accessible, so allow anyone to view it. So this transparency ensure the transactions are conducted openly and fairly. So this allows users with confidence to join without concern about hidden operation and fraud. So on the blockchain, every transaction is broadcasted and no one can influence unless the internet is no longer exists. But this is impossible. Okay. So BitNest perform an advanced encryption to protect the user transaction data and personal information. So all data transmission and storage are encrypted to ensure only authorized person can access the relevant information. So this is why when we prompt for authorization when you first visit BitNest. So is it like you put a lock on the letter? Only the person with the key can open and read the content. So when BitNest collect information about my wallet address, then only he can automatically transfer the profit to my digital wallet. Automatic. So with this kind of automated execution, it is safe. This is favor on the user, not on the platform. So to ensure that our smart contract meet the highest security standard, we have chosen Certic as our contract auditing partners. Certic. What is Certic? Certic is a global leading blockchain security technology company specialized in providing top-tier smart contract auditing service. They have a team of world-class blockchain security experts, cryptography specialists, who have used state-of-the-art technology and methodology and to audit to verify the security of smart contract. So BitNest also chosen the certificate as its contract auditing partners due to the professionalism. So their audit process includes static and dynamic analysis of contract code, so as well as comprehensive detection of potential and security risks. Through static audit, we can ensure that our smart contract system is secure and reliable in design and implementation. By this, it will provide the maximum protection to the user asset. So now I will show you where to check. When you come to here, BSC scan, okay, this is the third party website. Here, it will show all the real-time information. It is immutable, like I said, unable to change. Okay, you can see all this. You can check here. Everyone can check. All transparent. Nowhere anyone can fraud. Okay. Okay, you can see here also. You can scroll down. You can see here Telegram group, Telegram news. You can join in. You can join in there because inside you have a lot of specialized analyze and content. You can show it to the partners. You can study yourself. Okay. And the community, you see, when you click the community, there's a lot of information there which can provide you a more knowledge and more complete knowledge. Okay, and all this I will make more explanation on my next video. And then now I will show you to the certificate. Okay, this is the certificate website. Okay, you can see here skynet.certic.com. Okay, you can see here that is all the information. Okay, you can see that here project have security audit. We have codes, fundamental operation, community, everything. All the information is here. Category, the code is the smart contract, the scoring. Okay, so everything is here. Nowhere we can hide. Okay, so but this score will increase from time to time. It takes time to increase. But normally the more new platform or coins, their best point is on the grade B. Okay, so you can take a look on it. I will also put the link into my notes so you can try to read on all the information. This is a third party website from Certic. Okay, so that's all for today's section. So I hope that everyone can understand the logic that I shared today. So I believe that now everyone can think out of the box. Okay, and fight for your bright future. Okay, the future is in your hand. I can guide you, I can help you, but you yourself have to take the initial step. And thank you. That's all for today. See you tomorrow.